We'll see our second example. In this example, we'll write down a function to calculate LCM of two numbers and returns. Means there will be one function to find LCM. It takes input as a two numbers and return LCM of those two numbers here. Okay, this is our function calculate underscore LCM. So it takes two parameters, suppose say f and s, and we want to find out LCM of these two numbers f and s here. So first we'll find out which number is greater from these two numbers here. So here we can check it like this. If f is greater than s, then we can say g is equal to f, else we'll say g is equal to s. So g will contain your greater number, g will contain value of greater number from these two numbers f and s. So now see here, if suppose value of f is 10 and value of s is 15, then g will contain 15 now. First we'll check whether this is divisible by these both numbers, which is not true. So we'll go with next number, we'll go with next number, we'll go with next number. So that we want to continue until we find one number which is divisible by both these numbers here. So this number will be your LCM. So that we can manage by means of loop now. So write down a loop while. Now see, we want to continue this loop until we find one number which is divisible by both these numbers. So see how we are writing this loop. While not g modulus f is equal to 0 and g modulus s is equal to 0. And inside this loop we are writing only one statement, g plus equal to 1. So what this loop will do? This loop will continue incrementing value of g by 1 until we find a number which is divisible by both these f and s here. Okay, and finally this g, what we will find, that is just nothing but our LCM. So that we are returning from this function. So here you just input two numbers from keyboard. Enter first number, enter second number, and then print LCM of these two numbers. Pass these two variables as argument over there. Execute this code. The first number is 10, second number is 15, and LCM is 30. So this is your function to find out LCM of two numbers.